Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today it is day 13 of Vlogmas, and I am going to make for the first time ever a bunting banner for my household. I still have a lot of Christmas fabrics from that mystery bag I received earlier this year, so I decided to take a few more out to get rid of the little portion I have of each design, and I'm really happy with what I picked for my bunting banner. And again, I kind of been winging it this throughout, but I mean, it's not hard by the way I look at it. You pretty much just make a triangle from a folded piece of fabric. With what I did, I think mine were a bit too big, but I can easily change that if I want to in the future. I am making 7 triangles in 7 different designs. And for my backing, I think it's just going to be all in one color, so I picked red. Which I already have enough from a previous project. And my banner is also going to be in a correspondence of red, green, red, green, red, green, and some white with a bit of black. There's a reason why to that. Once you have your back and front fabric, you want to pin them together and then sew either 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch. After you have sewn them together, cut off your excess threads and then clip your corners. And then you're going to fold your piece inside out. Red and green would be suitable for this banner, but I don't have that on hand, so I decided to go with black. But it's a nice touch with it anyway, and I'll be sewing very close to the edge of the ribbon. Because I sewed so close to the edge of the ribbon, now I'm going to be trimming my banners because I do not want them to stick out on the other side of the ribbon. I could have been using pinking shears to prevent it from fraying, but whatever. I'll remember it next time. I just wasn't thinking. Hey, it's only the morning. I only had 1 cup of coffee. And that is it, guys, of how I have made the first time ever bunting banner for my household. Very happy with it. I like the color story that goes with it. And if you guys like this video as well as me making my bunting banner, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me on my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see the rest of the content I will be releasing for the month of December for the Vlogmas challenge. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye!